Hey guys, welcome to the 38th video of the playlist on how to use SolidWorks for beginners. For those who are new to the channel, the link of the playlist is given in the description box below, or you can simply click on the I button which is present on the right top corner of your screen. In this video, we will be understanding the shell feature available. Okay, so once you click on the shell feature, it is asking us for the thickness of our shell. Okay, so let us define the thickness to be 10 mm itself, and secondly it is asking us to remove the faces. Okay, so suppose if I want to remove this particular face, so I will select this particular face. Now you can see the preview of what you are going to get as a result of it. See, can you see this yellow 3D model? That portion is going to get cut away. Okay, so as soon as I click on OK, see, this region is getting cut away. And as we mentioned earlier that our thickness should be 10 mm, therefore we are getting a thickness of 10 mm on all the sides. Okay, is this clear? Now after this thing is done, let us go here and again click on edit feature. Now suppose instead of a shell inward, suppose if you want the shell to be outward, then you can click on this. See, now what will happen after this is that this blue region which you can see is now going to get cut away. See, can you see? Okay, so now we are getting a shell on the outside of our earlier 3D model. Clear? Now guys, there is one more option available here. Here if you see guys, it is asking us the multi-thickness settings. So what is the meaning of this? So for that, let me first change this option, that is shell outward. You can select this option and choose this also, but for our convenience of understanding, I am just deselecting it for a while. Okay. Now here if you observe guys, the thickness between this particular yellow line and the edge is nothing but 10 mm as mentioned by us. The thickness between this yellow line and this edge is 10 mm. The similar thing applies on this curved surface and this edge also. But suppose instead of 10 mm, I want 20 mm on this particular side. So what I can do for that? So for that I will select this particular face, and now as soon as I mention 20 mm here, see, can you see? Now the thickness has increased. Okay, see this, the thickness between this, the distance between this yellow line and the edge has now increased from 10 to 20 mm. So basically we are increasing the thickness of the shell on one particular face. Here you can select multiple faces as well. Suppose if I select this face also, see, now the thickness has increased from here as well. Okay, so guys, I will now click on OK, and I hope that you have understood the simple feature of a shell. Yet it is a very important feature, although it is simple. Okay, so let me tell you all one thing, that it is not necessary that we select only a planar surface. We could have even selected this particular curved surface as well. There is no particular restriction that we have to select only a planar surface. Okay, so guys, I hope that you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and guys, go check out other SolidWorks videos on my channel. They might be helpful for you all. And guys, thank you for watching this video. The link of the playlist is given in the description box below.